Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rex Rahul. In today's video we will see how can we use this data entry form in your mobile. So you must have seen that when you're trying to access this button in your mobile, it doesn't work. So we will see how can we use an alternate approach which will be used to save the data in this employee data form. So we will be using the same code which was already written previously. You can check out my previous video. So this is the save data function. In previous video you will see the name of this function is my function, but I have changed it to save data for this video. So the rest of the code is same. This is for search. So let's get started. So to make this checkbox to do any work, we will have to create onEdit method here. So we will create onEdit. Here one thing to remember is that onEdit, so this name should be onEdit always. So this function will always be called when there is a change in active spreadsheet. So what we will do, we will first get the reference of sheet, and after that we will get the reference of edited cell, and we will check if this checkbox is active or not. So when it is active, when it is checked, it will return true, and when it is unchecked, it will return false. So these three conditions we have to check. So let's write the code. onEdit. So first of all we will get the active sheet. Spreadsheet.get active spreadsheet. After that we have to get the reference of the active cell. So here if the user clicks on this checkbox, so the reference cell would be B13. So we will take the reference. So this is our active cell which we will get from active sheet, get active cell. And we got the active cell, but we have to get the reference. So here the reference is B13, so we will get that reference in this active cell dot get A1 notation. So what we are going to do here, if user has clicked on this checkbox, means on B13 cell. So if reference is B13, then we have to call this save data function. Okay, so one thing to remember here is that this onEdit method will be called on any update in the form. So we will have to apply additional checks here. We will also apply the check of the sheet name. So let's apply that. We will create another constant with the sheet name. So get sheet and get name. So it will return the sheet name, so which is this form. So we will be applying this condition also if the sheet name is form. Another condition has to be there that this checkbox must be checked in order to save the data. Means if it is checked, it will get, we will get in code true. So whenever this checkbox is true, we will actually save the data. If it is false, we will not. So first of all, let's get the active value of the cell. So this active value that we have to check against if it is true or not. So now we have to save the data. If these three conditions are satisfied, then we will call save data, else we will not do anything. So save data, and also once this data is saved, we will again toggle the active cell checkbox to false. So set value false. Now we will go here and let's try to enter some records. Let's try to save the record. If I click on this checkbox, it should trigger. Yes, it was triggered. And let's check the record in employee data. Yes, it is there. Let's try again one more time. Let's click on it, checkbox. Yes, let's see, Piyush is saved here. So that's all for this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Rex Rahul.